How to fix iPhone speaker not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your volume is turned up. Use the volume button on the side of your iPhone or swipe down from the top right hand side corner and adjust the volume slider to increase the sound. Also make sure that your silent mode is off. Look at the switch above the volume button and flip it on to turn the silent mode off. Now, restart your iPhone. You can activate Siri and ask it to restart your device, then confirm the restart. After that, simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, tap on Accessibility, then tap on Audio and Visual, and just like that inside here, make sure balance slider is set to middle, and then turn off mono audio. Now unplug your iPhone from any connected devices or cable. You can simply go to Control Center and then make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Now after that, inside Settings, you need to simply tap on General. Scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset All Settings. After that, confirm the reset. If none of these steps work, you can contact Apple Support. You can reach them via the Apple Support website or raise a service request for further assistance. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.